Today we will be testing the Haydens RSI trend tracker indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Haydens RSI trend tracker indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 848 indicators, with 349 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 53 of the winning indicators. 20 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we will be testing the Haydens RSI trend trader indicator. I believe I said tracker on the last couple ones, but it is Haydens RSI trend trader indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so the setup on this is pretty easy. You can see that the indicator itself is giving us clear, short, and long signals there. You can also see that the indicator is also giving us the stop and the take profit according to the creator's kind of idea of how the stop and take profit should be set. It does appear though that it does have a little bit of a stagger to it, and so you can see if we zoom in kind of tight here, you can see that we have kind of the dotted lines here. I believe that is our entry there, and then we have a second set of dotted lines here and a third set up here. So it appears that possibly the creator of the indicator had in mind where you would enter, take partial profit, maybe set your stop to break even at that point, and then look for the longer take profit goal here with a stop right down here. And so you can see though that it does notate, like right here, you can see that we get that X right there showing that we got stopped out, got an X there, but you can also see that if I scroll back here, we got a take profit here on this one, so it's a little money bag. And so interesting indicator. Now we will be using our own stop and take profit on this, and so we won't be using the creators. Now it is possible that using the stop and take profit that the creator has established there might do better with this indicator. Not really sure. Of course, we don't know where it stands at this point as far as the win rate, but it's possible that using like I said, the creator stop and take profit setup might be a better way to go. Like I said, we don't know yet, but let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we get out of this, and then we can kind of go from there. All right, so looks like, so I've only played around with this just a little bit, but we definitely pick up a short right here on this one here. It's just kind of looking at what the indicator is showing here. Interesting. So it looks like it kind of creates this ladder of profit targets that you could take. I'm not sure if, you know, how established that is. Looks like the stop might be right there. And it gives you this really cool kind of layout of interesting. All right, nonetheless, let's go ahead here and continue on. So we get our first signal right there, and it is going to be a short signal. And let's go ahead and play this forward some here. And it looks like we get a pretty nice little drop to the downside there, which is definitely going to get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue forward here. All right, so we got that money bag there, so that would have hit the take profit according to the indicator there. But again, let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we're going to pick up a second signal right here. It's going to be a long signal. Let's go ahead and play this for just a little bit. All right, so that one does get us to our take profit as well. Again, just kind of looking at the indicator here. It's quite a fascinating indicator, I believe. Anyways, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in the conversations on most of these channels. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he is marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, calling out areas where traders should be kind of paying attention to charts, and where he's kind of looking to possibly take some trades. Sometimes he will post the trades that he is going to take in advance, putting up where his entry, his stop, and his take profit is. Now, he's not a signal service technically, and so he doesn't do that on every trade, but he goes out of his way to really help people understand how to mark up charts, again, with areas of support and resistance, wedge patterns, kind of triangles, pennants, flags, all kinds of really cool price action patterns that he is trading on a regular basis. We have a newest member here, our newest admin, Mike from Upright Trading. Does a really great job of helping everybody out on indicators when it comes to indicators. He has quite a few indicators himself that he has developed. Some are free, some are paid. All of them are really cool indicators. You should check them out. But he really goes above and beyond to make sure that people understand how to use his indicators and how to use indicators in general. if he has knowledge on that particular indicator. He's very, very knowledgeable when it comes to indicators and coding. And so, like I said, really goes above and beyond, often showing people his indicators and exactly how to use them, strategies behind them, and so on. Really, really knowledgeable, really helpful, awesome admin there. Then we have some of our other traders here that are just generally posting their trades, kind of their journey into the trading world, kind of showing some of the profits that they are currently taking, and just kind of documenting as they go along and again move along through that journey. Here's some of the charts from Sasquatch, again posting out some really great information. All in all, it's just a wonderful environment. Everybody's helping everybody out, everybody's supporting everybody, and helping each other grow as traders. I just highly recommend that you join us here on the Discord. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Scroll this back there. Let's go ahead and turn it off, just that way it's a tad bit easier to see. So it didn't give us a lot of trades within the 1 year's time, obviously the only 3 trades here, but it did give us a winning win rate. You can see that we have the 2 winning trades there out of the 3. Definitely wish you give us more trades within the 1 year's time. It does look like even, I think this was a short right here, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it was. So it looks like even when it kind of, when we got stopped out on this one right here, when we didn't quite get the take profit we were looking for, still seemed like it gave us a pretty good directional kind of movement there in kind of the way the market was looking to go. And so all in all, it seemed like a pretty solid indicator. Like I said, there were quite a few different components to it that I thought were very interesting. Definitely something that is worth playing around with in your spare time. Throw it on a chart, kind of play around with it some and see what the default take profit and stop and stuff like that can do for you. All in all, it seemed like it, like I said, did rather well. Might be a really good indicator to use. So this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.